Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I have something really good for you guys. I think you're gonna like this one because, like always, I'm always here at Superior Auto Sales, sascars.com. And if you like these vehicles that you see, you can inquire about them. You can look them up on there. They actually have a Facebook page as well, and SAS Cars, you look up on their website, get in touch with them. But in the meantime, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you know I got a video coming out, or look at my other ones. But today, I saw this one come in, they got a hold of me, and I had to come in and take a look at it. It is a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. It's an armored vehicle. Yeah, the windows on this thing are super thick, it's heavy, it's got bomb-proof floors. So I'm gonna show you guys this vehicle because I think it's really cool, and they just had this one imported. So, and don't ask me why this is here because this is just creepy. Yeah, they imported this one too. But here it is, this big thing. I mean, it's big, it's heavy, it's bulletproof. Just to give you an idea, okay, listen to this. Now listen to this. You hear how thick that is? And they even have a caution sticker right here to tell you with the windows. And this is the type of vehicle too, I have to keep the keys with me because if I shut this door and the keys are in it, you'll never get in this truck. Never. So here it is. It is the 2021 Cadillac Escalade, fully bulletproof, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's a gorgeous truck. Oh yes, it is. Oh man. I will go through some of the things on the inside on it, but I just wanted to give you guys a walk around on this. I mean, it doesn't look like it's bulletproof, but it is. Whoop, I just accidentally pushed a button and I have no idea what I just touched. Great. Oof, I made it light up somehow. Let's get a look at the back here. I don't know if it's gonna let me just open it on its own. I don't know if that's just for the back window yet. Oh yeah, here you go. Now this is bulletproof also. I mean, it's like knocking on steel. I mean, this is all armored plated. That is something serious. I'm gonna shut this. See if it'll let me open it. I don't know if it will. Nope, that just only opens that. I don't even want to try and open the back of it because everything on this truck is super heavy. And I am not kidding. The doors. Okay, the floor and the ground lights up, which is cool. The doors on this are really hard to get open. I mean, it's just, they're super, super heavy from all the plating that is inside of the doors. I mean, you can see all the extra stuff they have done to this vehicle. I mean, and I will show you once I get in it. I'll have to start it up and roll the window down. The window rolls down really, really slow. But this truck is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, these look like speakers in the headrests. I mean, it does have the panoramic roof. I mean, nice, beautiful leather interior. Wow. I mean, fully functional like a regular Escalade. The best part of my job, getting in it. And you know what? I'm gonna start it up. Oh, this door, I mean, listen to the sound of it. You can just hear it. That's pretty cool. How many miles are on this? I have no idea. $209 miles. Now, I'm going to show you with the windows because they do not go down fast. Just want to give you an idea of how thick. You know, that's as far as they go down. That's it. That's all you get. I mean, it's just, they're about this thick. I mean, they're, with everything, they're probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick. They go up really slow. But this thing is absolutely gorgeous. If this opens up, I don't know. The sunroof on it, I'm not gonna try. Open then close rear window. I'll have to do that in a minute. But yeah, I mean, it's got your USB port and your chargers. All wood grain. This truck is just, I'm gonna shut it off because we are indoors with it. I mean, full navigation. It's got everything in it. I mean, this truck is so cool. It's got third row seating. It's got, oh yeah, the side windows. Oh yeah, I'll have to show you that in a second. Now, I mean, it just, I can't get over that. These doors, I mean, the doors feel stiff when you open it. They're not like because they're brand new. They're heavy because of all the armored plating in it. So, you got your little TVs and stuff like that right here. But if you can see it, the side windows have plating on it. I know you really can't see them because of the lighting in here. But yeah, I mean, it's, man, I mean, it's pretty dark in here because you really can't see much. But even those side windows, I thought they weren't armor plated. They are. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely armor. I'm going to try and open up the other doors. See, maybe we can see in there a little, get some light in there. So, I just can't get over how heavy they are. Good Lord. I mean, maybe you can see in there a little bit. But yeah, it's fully armored. Bomb-proof floors. The roof, I have no idea. But that's a heavy door. I mean, the door, I mean, watch this truck. When I shut the door, it rocks the truck because the doors are so heavy. That's a heavy door. Man, I just can't get over that. Boy, oh boy. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's just, it's nice and deep, little toe strap and things like this. But all that is, I have no idea. But even that's lit up, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, this truck is flat out gorgeous. Man, with some of the speakers up here in the ceiling, I'm sure it has, well. Now the windshield, yeah, that's armor plated too. I'll try and get in here a little bit. Yeah, that's a really thick windshield. All the windows are bulletproof. Every last one of them. I mean, who knows how heavy this truck is in general, but I'm sure with all this armored plating and the floors and the bulletproof glass, it has made this truck quite heavy. I mean, when you shut the doors on it, you can feel it. I mean, it just shakes that whole truck. Yeah, you're gonna hear the noises in the background because there are mechanics working. So, yeah, I did not think that back window was gonna be, I gotta shut it. Okay. because it told me to shut it. But man, this truck is so cool. I mean, you see armored vehicles in the movies and things like that. I'm sure these tires are something special also, but I have no idea. I mean, I don't know if these things are run flats or something. I really don't know. I couldn't tell you. Yeah, I mean, even with the floor, I mean, you know, you can't hear it, but they're really, really stiff too. But man. But this is a beautiful truck. I know you really can't see too much back there, but you can see the tiny little window in the back. And it's a little window. I mean, this is like stuff you only see in the movies. I mean, this is my first time ever seeing an armored vehicle, which is pretty cool to see. It is neat. But it's just like your regular upgraded, fully blown Cadillac Escalade. But like I said, when you shut the doors on this, just watch this back wheel well. Yeah, it shakes this whole truck. But yeah, and they specifically told me, do not leave the keys in this truck because it will lock you out of it and you will never get in. I mean, the doors and the glass are bulletproof and the floors. So with the front of this, I don't really know. I mean, it does have regular headlights. They do have another one here that the headlights are super thick. That'll be my next video. I don't think I'll be able to get into it, but I might ask them for the keys just so I can have some fun with it. You know, start it up out there and take a look at it. This just freaks me out. I don't know why this is. Well, they did import this for a company, and yeah, this is still here because this is being sold. So they still haven't transported it out of here. But yeah, that's just weird. I don't even want to open the door on it. But yeah, just... Oh. There you go, guys. You get to see the inside of a hearse. Ugh. No, thank you. Let me get out of the sunlight here. Alright, guys. I'm going to end this one here. I hope you like this vehicle. I got a kick out of playing with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. But please like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me for my channel. I've been working on it for so long and I've worked hard to get my monetization. So please leave a comment down below. If you like this truck, you don't like the truck, let me know. But hit that bell for notifications and you guys know the drill. I'll see you guys on the next one.